Hey guys, I just wanted to come on. This is the first day here on Norwegian Joy. I don't know if you can hear the waves outside, but it has been an exciting and trying day. Nothing to do with Norwegian Joy as a whole, but when they say leave and plenty of time to get to the port, they mean it for good reason. There was an accident, and then there was way too much traffic because 4 ships were in one area, and there's construction, and it was exciting in all kind of ways. But getting onto the ship probably took us half the amount of time that it took us to get from across the street to the actual terminal.
Being from Florida, we're aware that there could be an alligator in any body of water at any time. I was very glad, as you see the line here, that the driver was able to point out that there was an alligator because it gave them something to look at. The construction and the traffic was just awful, and they called a few people and was able to get local police and port authorities there, and it finally allowed us after 40 minutes to actually cross the road. And we did notice on our way back that they were still there, so hopefully that won't be an issue for you. Once we were dropped off, things were totally different. Thank goodness.
I mean, there was no time, no time at all. We got off.
The booming you hear is the construction. I think they're building another parking garage from what it looked like from us, but that, along with, they said 4 ships were in this one area today, just caused a bottleneck that was not prepared for, if you asked me. However, after that, the line was short. Everyone's very friendly. We moved along through security, and then we moved right through getting our tickets and onto the ship. It is definitely very different, which you will see here in just a moment. Different from what I'm used to, but I don't think it's necessarily a bad thing.
Were you waiting on me? I appreciate
Hello,
that.
how are you?
Good, how are you?
Right.
Thank you. Hey,
Good morning.
how are you?
Just need passports. Okay, how about this?
Appreciate it, thank you.
So you'll see what I mean as far as how you are boarded onto the ship in just a moment. We will round the corner, go up the stairs or the escalator, walk through a sitting area, and then you'll see what I'm speaking of that on the other cruise lines I haven't done. So I'm fairly certain that this is very specific to Norwegian Cruise Lines.
So far, so good.
I don't think necessarily is a bad thing. It was just different. You actually boarded the pier according to where your muster was. So it was like EFG, and then, ABCD is how you boarded. See,
See? Keep going to the front.
thank you.
There seemed to be construction at almost every corner. Now, that is a good thing in the sense that they are updating, they are changing. Hopefully, things will be better in the future. But for presentation, I don't necessarily, consider it a bad thing, but it's definitely filming does not make it look pretty at all. But it is still a destination that gets you from point A to the ship. So you can see that they're like, please excuse our mess. Please understand that we've got a lot going on here. So I just wanted to point that out, that they were under construction. The terminal is being worked on. So sure, this is not what it normally looks like. So you'll see here the sign A, B, C, D is your muster station. So our muster station was C, so we boarded in this gangway. If your muster station was, obviously not A, B, C, D, E, but G, F, H, whatever the other one was, you boarded on the one that you see in the distance there. You boarded on that gangway. So that is very different than what I am used to. We did, as you'll see, kind of walk right over to our muster station. So, again, I don't consider it a bad thing, but it is something that is different and something you should pay attention to if you're not familiar with it. Stepping onto the ship was a very different feeling, considering I've done it many times, and there's usually that yay feeling when you step on the ship. This one there was no fanfare, there was no kind of welcome aboard, instantaneous kind of feeling. It was just kind of, you have arrived, we hope you have a good trip. Now, nothing wrong with that. I'm just saying the feeling was definitely different getting onto the ship. You will see that they spray something on your hands right before you enter. I'm assuming it's hand sanitizer. I think it's a good practice. I have my own. I prefer my own. But, so you know, that is something that will be done, in case you're curious.
We got on, we went right to the muster drill. It was definitely different.
C8. C8. Yeah. So you're going to go through to the right for the local. Thank you.
Knowing that the muster drill is something that is extremely important and should be done first thing, and that the ship can't actually leave port until everyone does it, I understand why that they're trying to direct everybody and give everybody the perfect opportunity to do that first and foremost. I didn't find it a problem. It still was, like I said, you get on the ship and it's not welcome aboard, don't forget your muster drill. It's welcome aboard, immediately do your muster drill. Not mad at it, really not mad at it, but the atmosphere was just a tiny bit different getting on the ship. But I'm sure people did their muster drill.
Hey, how are you?
I'm good. How are you today?
Good, good. I know it's a busy day for you guys. Got it?
Okay.
Thank you guys. Have to. Thanks, guys.
From there, we went to the local, and which was right by where we were doing checking in for our muster. And we sat down. We got food. Gosh, I swear it was within 10 minutes from ordering. We had to wait for the rooms to be ready for quite a while, and I'll be honest, I wasn't used to that. It was probably around 2:30-ish that the rooms were ready, and they were calling them out, and pretty much the Haven area was first, and then a couple of the floors, and then our floor with the entire ship was ready.
While we were waiting for the rooms to be ready, we went up to the buffet, found a nice corner booth, and sat there, drank some water, got a few snacks, and just kind of waited for the room to be ready. We had already eaten lunch, obviously, at the local, so this was just kind of keeping us busy, waiting on the rooms.
As I mentioned earlier, all staterooms are now ready and available for your accommodation.
In case you missed the announcements, all rooms are now ready, and so we are heading to the room.
To look at amazing adventures ashore, remember, tours sell out fast. On behalf of your captain, Captain Dan, General Manager Ron, and your cruise director Bryn, and all officers, staff, and crew, welcome aboard to the beautiful Norwegian Joy.
So got checked into our room. The room was nice. And then just kind of explored the ship. We had a nice time at dinner, but all in all, I'm glad to be on the ship. Glad to be able to hear the ocean waves. I get to hear a few of the neighbors too, but hey, that's part of being on a ship with a bunch of people. There's 2 restaurants on board that are included. If you haven't sailed with Norwegian before, the freestyle is something that you can go to versus just the main dining room. They have other places that you can eat too that are included. Everything's not included, but there are others that are included. And Savor and Taste are 2, I would call them sub restaurants of like the main restaurant, and it is a much more intimate seating. And we enjoyed it. We absolutely enjoyed it. It didn't open till 5:30, so we, kind of explored a little bit. And then when they opened, we got our food. We sat by the window, which is really nice. But all in all, it's been a great day. We went up to the observation lounge. Again, I don't think a lot of people know it's there yet, so it was extremely quiet. I got a cup of coffee and just kind of took our time, and now we're both very tired and ready to just kind of... But I'm excited to be on the Norwegian Joy, and I'm excited to get to share it with you. So, day 1 in the books. Day 2, I'll share with you later. So thanks for watching, guys, and I will continue to share the journey here on Norwegian Joy. So see you in the next one.